Hey guys, we're currently here in Caloocan.
And let's ask around the locals some trivia questions about their city.
Let's go!
So first, sino ang bayani na nasa monumento sa Caloocan? Ano ang meaning ng Kamanapa? Caloocan.
Ito, pinakamahalagang question natin. Saan ang iyong favorite shopping destination?
Number SM! SM! We got it over you!
Anong card ang dapat mong gamitin para makakuha ng points, discounts, at freebies sa SM?
And there you have it. Alam nyo ba na meron ng bagong SM sa Caloocan? And you are all invited.
Get us back at the newly opened SM City Caloocan. Happy shopping!